Welcome to this timeless and elegant custom home offering sweeping valley views. This beautifully remodeled home is ideally situated in Portland's highly sought-after Forest Heights. Thoughtfully designed, you'll enjoy multiple decks and exquisite landscaping. Heading inside, you'll discover a spacious, open-concept floor plan with an abundance of designer amenities. A two-story wall of windows provides mesmerizing panoramic views. The gourmet kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family, including granite countertops, double ovens, a Wolf stovetop, and 2 Miele dishwashers for ease of entertaining. Just off the eating nook, a generous covered deck invites you to slow down and enjoy peaceful views and breathtaking sunsets. A corner office is a handsome retreat with a wall of built-ins and a fireplace. On the upper level, you'll discover a spacious private retreat in the master suite with a coffered lighted ceiling. Relax and recharge in the luxurious master bath with a double shower, deep tub and fireplace, plus a large walk-in closet. This home of more than 5,600 square feet has plenty of space for everyone, with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. On the lower level, an expansive family room is ready to be a favorite place for family and friends, complete with a wet bar and wine fridge. It opens to an inviting media room with a cozy fireplace and built-ins. You'll also find a private guest suite. It has direct access to the deck and a stairway to the yard. Living here, you can enjoy the private network of Forest Heights Nature Trails and Park. It's within the Multnomah County School District, and it's close to some of Portland's finest private schools. An exceptional home in Forest Heights. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Annalisa Ferguson with Premier Property Group at 503-348-7063.